If you want to learn how to zoom in on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to create a zoom effect in CapCut PC using keyframes so you can make your edits look more dynamic and professional. This is perfect for highlighting a face, emphasizing text, or adding a clean cinematic zoom to your video. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to edit. If you haven't started yet, create a new project and import the video clip you want to zoom in on. Once your footage is in CapCut, drag it down to the timeline so you can begin editing. This is important because all of the zoom adjustments will happen directly on the clip in the timeline. Now click on the video clip to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. Next, move the playhead to the exact point where you want the zoom effect to begin. This is the starting point of your animation, so take a second to place it carefully. If the zoom starts too early or too late, the effect may feel awkward. So choosing the right moment makes a big difference. Once the playhead is in the right spot, look for the keyframe button, which is usually shown as a small diamond icon. Click that keyframe icon to set your first keyframe. This tells CapCut that this is the starting position and scale for your clip. If you're new to editing, think of a keyframe as a marker that saves the current look of the video at that exact moment. After that, move the playhead forward in the timeline to where you want the zoom to finish or continue. The amount you move it forward depends on how slow or fast you want the zoom to feel. A short distance gives you a quick punch-in effect, while a longer distance creates a smoother, more gradual zoom. Now go to the video settings and click on Basic. Here, you'll see the scale option. Increase the scale value to zoom in on the video. As soon as you change the scale, CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe for you. That means CapCut will animate the zoom between the first keyframe and the second one without you needing to do extra work. If the zoom lands on the wrong part of the screen, you can adjust the position in the preview window. Just click and drag the video frame until the subject or area you want is centered properly. This is really useful if you want the zoom to focus on a person, object, or specific detail in the shot. You can always fine-tune the placement until it looks exactly right. Once you've set the keyframes and adjusted the scale, preview the zoom effect by playing the clip back from the start of the animation. Watch how the movement looks and decide if it feels smooth enough. If it's too fast, move the second keyframe farther away. If it's too slow, bring it closer. You can also tweak the scale amount to make the zoom more subtle or more dramatic depending on the style you want. And that's it! You now know how to zoom in on CapCut using keyframes in a clean and easy way. This technique is one of the simplest ways to make your videos feel more polished, and once you practice it a few times, it becomes very fast to do. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe for more CapCut editing guides, and check out the rest of my tutorials for more beginner-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.